Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. So in this video, we're gonna be looking out to the illustration on how you can actually invest in dollar mutual funds, and we're gonna be talking about the best platform you can actually use to invest your dollar as well. So based on the research, I was able to find out different platforms in which you can actually use to invest in dollar mutual fund here in Nigeria. And we are going to look how to the minimum deposit, the pros and cons on each of these platform, and why you should start investing today. So basically, you can see the average DSD fund yield is basically from 9% to 14% per annum, and you can see on the naira devaluation, which is minus 40%. And we also have the typical management fee, which is from 1% to 2%. And we also have the minimum investment, like I said, which is $1 to $10 requirement from each of these platforms we're going to be looking at too. So these are the top Nigerian fintechs for dollar mutual fund, which of course you can actually try out today. So we're gonna show you individuals, and then most of these apps are literally available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. But basically, when we are doing some research, we're able to see that the last one on this list is not available on Google Play Store. So we did not actually check on the Apple App Store if it's available yet. So we're gonna be going to each one after the other, which is the first one is Risevest. We also have Bamboo, we have Cowrywise, we have PiggyVest, we have Trove, and we have Chaka. So it was this Chaka we checked on Google Play Store, and we noticed that it's not literally available on the App Store, right? For Android user, literally. So, for the fund type on Rise First, you can invest in USD fixed income or stocks, and for the Bamboo, you can invest in US ETF money market as well, and for the Cowrywise USD mutual fund, and for the PiggyVest, you have fixed dollar savings as well. Then for the truth, we have US stocks and bonds, and for the tracker, we have global ETF USD funds. So, and the investment yield per annum is from 10% to 15% for Rice First, and for the Bamboo, we have 8 to 12%. For the Cowrywise, we have 9 to 13%, or for the PiggyVest, we have 7 to 10%, and for the Truth, we have 10 to 14%, and for the Chaka, we have 9 to 12%. So I think Trove actually won on this side because oh sorry, Rice First actually won on this side, which that's the highest um investment yield. And for the management fee, we have 1.5%, and we have 1 to 2%. We have 1.25%, 0% charges on the management fee, which means they are not going to charge you any amount for the management, right? And for the Trove, that is 1.5%, and for the checkout, that's 1.5% too. And for minimum deposit for Rice First, you can deposit for as low as $10, and for the Bamboo, $20 minimum. For the Cowrywise, 1%, $1, sorry. For the PiggyVest, that's $5, and for the Trove, that's $10, and for the Chaka, that's 15%, $15, sorry. And these are the liquidity. Basically, I'm not gonna lie, I literally don't understand what the liquidity means when it comes to investment in dollars. So literally, but then um I'm gonna do more research, and then if I find out, I'm gonna do a video update or put it in the video description literally. So this Rise First best for passive long term, and Bamboo is good for ETF diversification, for the Cowrywise beginner auto save, and for the PiggyVest short term packing, and for the Trove stock plus fund blend, and for the Chaka we have global exposure for for the money. Right. So scrolling all the way down, we also have a chart on how this has been moving and how people are being kind of like investing in USD mutual fund, right? So you can see the chart right here. So people are investing from uh I think this is 1 million, right? Yeah, this is 1 million. So you can see people that are investing in Naira savings and USD mutual fund as well. So 12%, you can see the rise of it, and you can see people are doing lesser amounts. So you can see from 200K right there. So you can see 200K right here for 5 years, year five. So savings some 7,000 thereabout. So you can see it come all the way down. On this side right here, this is 129,000 for year four. And okay, I think this is how your money actually move, right? So this is how your money move. So you can see right there. So year two, year one, and zero here. So you can see, and this is how it all goes up, right? This is how it all goes up. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. So this makes a lot of sense. If you are investing in just a million, if you are investing a million, so you're gonna be getting 12% of your money. So then in just 12% of your money in 1 year, you get 120,000. So another year is 254. Then you see that, then you see, then you see that. So at the end of the day, the your capital actually matters, right? So the amount you actually invest from the onset will determine how much you're gonna be getting at the end of the day. So the more money you save or the more money you invest, the more money you're gonna be getting at the end of the day. So I think that explains it better, right? So scrolling all the way down, then you can also see the dollar mutual fund types, which of course rise versus return. Okay, risk versus return, sorry. So for the USD money market is very low, and the expected return fall into the 5 to 8% per annum, which composition falls into treasury bills and the short bonds as well. Ideal holding period is within 1 to 6 months. Then you have USD fixed income, which is low to medium from 8 to 12% per annum. This fall into corporate versus government bond or under 6 to 12 2 years, 6 months to 2 years. So USD balance fund medium, which is the risk level, which is 10 to 15% per annum, bond and equity mixed, which fall into 1 to 3 years for you to hold onto. Then we have USD equity or ETF, so which is under the medium to high. So you can see the return is very high, but then it's also on the high risk side because US global stock market. So you have to plan to hold for up to 3 years before you can actually see a good return for that. Right. I think that explains it much better. So how you can actually get started. So well explained right here. So all you just have to do, just find any of the app you literally want to go with. So either you go for the Cowrywise or Risevest or PiggyVest or anyone. They are available on Google Play Store, Apple App Store. And for the tracker, I think tracker right here. So we just go to their website on tracker.com, so you can uh, sign up through the platform, right? So that is for Chaka website. You can check for the other apps on Google Play Store and Apple App Store for PiggyVest, because I know for sure that that one is available right there. So choose your app after you have go through and know the one actually you want to go for. So compare yield, fee, and minimum deposit. Start with Cowrywise or Risevest for beginner. So you can see this already explained. You can choose the best one. So either you pick Cowrywise or Rise Vest. Then step two is to verify your identity, complete your BVN or NIN plus documentation, KYC. This take 5 to 15 minutes, requirement by CBN regulation. Then step three is to fund your wallet, transfer your Naira, the app converts to USD at the prevailing rate for you. So check spread before funding, right? So you have to check on the rate before you actually um, convert and start investing. Select a dollar funds, pick based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Then fixed income is safely for beginner, right? So you can see. Then automate contribution, set recurring deposit, weekly or monthly dollar cost average reduction, reduce timing risk. So we also have track and reinvest. They invest return for compound growth. Monitor quarterly, avoid panic withdrawing. So these are the things that you need to take note of when you are trying to invest in dollar. You know, these things don't actually stable, go ups and down like that, like that. So this also explains more details about the investment, right? Fee impacts on 500,000 naira invested over 3 years at 12% gross return. So you see management fee, like I said, some don't actually charge for management fee, right? So 0% savings, so 12% gross return, net return 12%, then final value, which is 702,000. Fee cost is 0 naira. Then on 1% charges, so you see how much you're gonna be paying if the platform you actually choose are charging 1%. And for those that charge 1.5%, so you see how much you're gonna be paying. And for those that actually charge 2%. So what I mean by all this fee right here is this fee right here. Let me show you. Yeah, this management fee right here. So that is what they are going to charge you, right? So you know how much you are going to be paying. Then coming down to the risk side. All right, so key risk to communicate to your uh, viewers. So you can see all you just have to do is to fix FX conversion spread. So you just have to know what you're actually doing. So you don't put all your eggs inside one basket, something like that. So choose fund with daily liquidity. So you can see reinvest dividend for compounding. So use SEC regulated platform only. So don't use any other platform aside from all this listed right here. So that's how you can actually go about it. So and if you have any question, you can literally let us know through the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to provide a response based on your question, based on what I actually know as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.